Sustain!
Nutrition.
What are we talking about, Joe?
3 reasons your New Year diet is going to fail.
What to do about it?
Nice positive one.
And what to do about it? Jesus Christ. Number 1! It's too strict.
Yeah, people making things too hard for themselves, so cutting out too much too quickly, making it unattainable and unsustainable.
See what we did there? So it's great that you've been super enthusiastic, but then if every year you join the gym, count your calories, go to the slimming world, stop smoking, stop eating sugar, stop eating chocolate, stop eating cake, stop breathing, drink more water, then you're just not going to be able to keep it up. You're going to go a couple of weeks and then you're going to flunk it out like you did last year.
Yeah, these things are just too hard to do consistently. So it takes each one of those, odds on you're doing them, which is why you're cutting them out. It takes willpower to change these habits, and you have a finite amount of willpower to use. Some people have more, some people have less, and odds on if you've got 52 different vices, then you know your willpower maybe isn't the strongest, so you need to factor that into your approach.
Number 2, it's too far removed from your normal life, which we've kind of touched on with number 1.
Yeah, so if it's a massive change for you, then it's too hard to stick to. The reasons that those habits exist are probably because you enjoy them, so you're making it unenjoyable for you. So, you know, if you like smoking, drinking, going out seeing your friends, not exercising, all these things, then suddenly making those changes is going to make the whole process unenjoyable and you're not going to stick to it. You need to make sure that if it's going to last for the rest of your life, and it's not just a diet for kind of 4, 8, 12 weeks, then it's something that you enjoy doing. So you're not going to love every single second of it, but to make it as enjoyable as possible.
Horrible. Number 3, you've been too impatient.
You crunchy old joints.
This is a real common one, is people getting frustrated with the slow progress that they've made, not seeing that it's progress, not seeing that they're doing the right thing.
But I only lost 2 pounds.
I lost 2 pounds this week. If you spent the last year, or 2 years, or 3 years, or 4 years, or 5 years slowly gaining weight and creating these bad habits, then you can't expect to have them all fixed by the 21st of January.
Yeah, or even, you know, March, April. These things are going to take a long time. It's going to take constant work to kind of overcome these habits, and you're not going to reverse everything in one go. You're not going to make solid progress for the next kind of 26, 52 weeks. So you need to be aware that any progress is good. Half a pound a week is nearly 2 stone a year. Most people don't lose a stone from between January to December. So you need to be aware that slower is better if it means you can keep it off. So whatever it's going to be that keeps the weight off or keeps you kind of progressing, then that's what we're going to look for.
So, solutions. So number 1, don't be too strict, simple as that. Calories are going to count, so if you can just shave off a few calories, make this as easy as possible, then it's going to make it more sustainable and it's going to mean you can stick to the plan. So something as simple as just making one different choice, so ditching 1 or 2 cans of Coke a day is going to shave 300 to 400 calories per day off your diet, and that's going to help you get weight loss, and that's going to be painless.
That fits nicely into the second point of being too far removed, is pick the things that mean less to you. So what I mean by that is if you track your week, then you'll be able to see kind of where you're taking excess calories, whether it be takeaways or alcohol or biscuits, whatever it may be, and then you can then decide what isn't a big loss to you. So if you love going out on a Friday night with your workmates and having a drink, then keep that in and take calories out from somewhere else where you don't enjoy them so much. So if you're sat at home on an evening and eat half a pack of biscuits and that's not something you enjoy as much and it's more of a habit, then that's the area to focus on, because then you're not kind of changing the big kind of important, enjoyable parts of your life.
Or even as Joe says, if you like going out for a drink and your normal tipple is 12 pints of cider, you switch that to, not 12 pints of gin and tonic, but it's like you switch to gin and tonic from cider or from beer or even from wine, and you're going to save hundreds of calories over that weekend.
Perfect. So number 3, be patient, or even be more realistic with your progress. So any steps forward, even maintaining. So you know, people get so frustrated that they don't lose weight week on week. And especially with women, is this can be massively influenced by hormones and by water retention. So you need to be aware that even if you're doing everything right, you're still not going to see progress every week. So you just need to be aware of that and then not kind of throw the baby out the bathwater, you know, and give up and consume loads of foods and drinks that aren't actually going to help you and you'll regret later on.
That's it. Celebrate the fact that you're doing something positive and step in towards your goals. Always talk to yourself like you would do your best friend. So imagine your best friend's come round and said, I understand this, I've been to the gym 3 times, I've stopped drinking so much cider, you know, I've tied up my diet, blah, blah, I've still not lost weight, oh, that's it. Your friend's not going to turn around to you and say, well, you should just quit then, go eat another cake. You're obviously a failure. They're going to tell you to keep going, you're doing everything right. So always speak to yourself like you would do your best friend. So those are our top 3 tips. What to do about it.